Tesla is in a unique position in the business when it comes to manufacturing electric automobiles. Tesla, being the world's largest vertically integrated automaker, has the potential to improve every part or component of its car, as well as the production process, to make it even better and more cost-effective. Tesla has achieved this with its new innovative tabless batteries, which it will use in their future electric vehicles. Last year, at its Battery Day event, Tesla unveiled a new tablet battery to critical praise. Tesla's project was created out of a particular need, therefore it wasn't just an academic exercise. Tesla, like other battery manufacturer, buys its cells from providers who utilize their own patented chemistry and structure. This was running fine until Tesla looked into the future, and realized that its battery supply chain could be problematic. Tesla's goal is to maintain a 50% increase in total vehicle output each year. For example, Tesla shipped approximately 500,000 electric cars last year, with a goal of 750,000 by 2021. All of these automobiles will only be transported if each one has a battery. The issue was that, according to its projections, the growth rate in existing battery output would not be able to keep up with Tesla's expansion objectives, causing a jam further down the road. Simply said, there will come a day when Tesla completes its vehicles but must wait for the batteries to be completed before installing them. The issue here is the battery production process, which we will discuss further later. Tesla wants to prevent this scenario at all costs. As a result, Tesla began working on the key components of today's batteries, and produced Table's 4680 battery. Hello, and welcome to Inferno Rocket, where we'll keep you up to date on all things Tesla, SpaceX, and Elon Musk. While the battery is a complicated subject, that should be left to the professionals, it is feasible to get a rough picture of what Tesla has accomplished here. To store energy, the standard cylindrical lithium-ion battery employs cells made up of multiple layers or strips of chemical compounds. The cathode and anodes are the layers, with a separator layer in between. The cathode and anode layers are then connected to the battery's positive and negative terminals by tabs, which are small metallic components. The issue with tabs is that they may be the ruin of the entire battery. Despite the fact that it serves an important purpose, if not done correctly, they can have an impact on battery performance and sustainability. When the tabs are welded to the electrodes, for example, welding burrs may form, piercing the layer between the cathode and anode layers, resulting in a short circuit within the device. This has the potential to cause a fire, and the task of placing the separating layer between the cathode and anode layers during the battery production process is time-consuming. Tesla was able to do away with the requirement for connecting tabs, therefore the term tabless battery. Instead, a conductive component of the battery runs along the electrode. The electron travels a shorter distance before reaching the positive and negative terminals when utilizing this method. According to Elon Musk, the CEO, this is a win for physics. The most significant difference is that Tesla has taken a whole different approach to battery design, which is essentially what the company is known for: separating difficulties in order to get at the most essential solutions. With this first principles approach, Tesla was able to improve both the battery and the battery production process, which resulted in both of them being improved. Tesla did it by acquiring a few battery-focused startups, but at the end of the day, they succeeded. In fact, Tesla improved the efficiency and capacity of their battery in one fell swoop, while also lowering the cost of production and shortening the time it takes to produce it. And if you believe this is just an idea that will take a long time to develop into actual batteries, you couldn't be more mistaken. Tesla's Drew Bagliano stated that the company's pilot factory was already scaling up manufacturing of the tablet cells. Here's how the tablet's design improves battery performance. As previously said, the tablet structure eliminates a time-consuming stage in the battery production process. This is the process of placing the tab into the battery. This simply means that you can get more battery in less time. Remember that Tesla anticipates a battery supply deficit as its own vehicle production rises and battery component vendors struggle to keep up. Here's a Tesla for avoiding a situation like this. It also entails larger capacity batteries. By the way, if you like what you're seeing, please subscribe to our channel, where we keep you up to date on all the latest news from Elon Musk, Tesla, and SpaceX. It only takes a few seconds to subscribe, and while you're there, if you could leave a like on the video, that would be greatly appreciated. The 4680 suffix on the battery's name denotes that the cells are large, measuring 48 mm in diameter and 80 mm in height. Including more active battery material in the mix. This means that more energy can be stored in the same housing. When compared to the identical battery pack that uses the popular 2170 cells, Tesla sees a 16% boost in range. Based solely on this change in dimensions, Tesla modified the materials used in the battery in addition to reordering and deleting some of the components. Tesla uses silicone that has been charged with lithium. However, raw silicone was then used. There's a lot more to it than what this video can show you, but this motion has a lot of advantages. First, more silicone may be packed into the battery, increasing the battery's energy storage capacity. This, according to Tesla, may increase the car's range by 20%. Second, silicone is less expensive to obtain than lithium, lowering costs. Lowering the battery's cost by 5%. Third, it substantially streamlines the manufacturing process, resulting in a significant reduction in the amount of time it takes. Tesla put a lot of effort into improving the cathode of the tabless's battery, and the results are incredible. Today's batteries employ cobalt, which is the finest chemical choice. Unfortunately, the process of obtaining cobalt is a nightmare for environmentalists. They are poisonous and generate a lot of garbage. The supply chain is especially insecure, as the majority of the world's supply originates in a single African country, the Democratic Republic of Congo. Any instability in the country that affects typical mining processes could cause Tesla's facility in China to shut down. Tesla began using nickel in its cathodes. Apart from decreased costs, the manufacturing process is simpler because nickel supply is less erratic, produces fewer wastes and uses less water. It also makes it easier to build a battery recycling process. Tesla has enhanced the thermal properties of the battery with the tablet's design. The tabs can act as a source of resistance to electron passage, resulting in heat that would have to be dealt with in a sophisticated and costly manner. For the automobile owner, this means faster charging times and more efficient discharge. Overall, Tesla has crammed hundreds of innovations into a small space, resulting in a significant advantage. The production of batteries will never be the same. This basically means cheaper and better batteries for Tesla. It also means a more stable supply to support the company's 50% yearly growth targets. The electric vehicle sector is extremely price-sensitive when it comes to battery pricing. Since it accounts for a third of the bill of materials, the cost per kilowatt-hour for Tesla's tablet batteries could be high. In such situation, we may see a huge reduction in the cost of electric automobiles, or the range of electric vehicles, which is rapidly expanding. Either one of the two, or a mixture of the two. The $25,000 Tesla car, which has remained elusive, is now looking more like a possibility. Musk has conceded that the cost of the battery is a crucial element in determining when and if a low-cost electric vehicle would be available. However, with a less expensive tabless battery, it won't be long before we see one. Will Tesla share the design of its tablets with other electric vehicle manufacturers? That we'll have to wait and see. The tablet's battery, on the other hand, is a radical take on batteries, and it's no surprise that it comes from Tesla, a startup that has consistently outperformed itself. As Musk predicted, every car company will eventually offer long-range electric vehicles, and every company will eventually gain autonomy, but not every company will excel at manufacturing. Tesla will be head and shoulders above the competition in manufacturing. That is Tesla's ultimate objective. Who's eager to see the new 4680 batteries come into production and future cars? Let us know your thoughts on the topic in the comment section below. A quick reminder to subscribe to our channel. There's a link down below for more Tesla news and conjecture. If you want to learn more about Tesla, SpaceX, and Elon Musk, we have 2 more video alternatives for you to watch on the screen. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more weekly news like this.